Hey there, travel advisors. There's no better time than the present to host your very own virtual cruise party. And while I'm still dreaming of a haircut, we here at Carnival want to make sure that you have the tools to keep your clients dreaming of their next cruise vacation. Maybe you want to walk your clients through a fun day at sea. Okay, let's meet at the Carnival Waterworks here on Lido Deck. That seems like fun, huh? Tell you what, I feel like I'd rather grab a drink at the Atrium Lobby Bar under the amazing Dreamscape. Cool, huh? Better yet, let's grab a drink at one of the most popular watering holes on the ship, the Alchemy Bar, where I love the selection of craft cocktails here. In fact, I'll take a spicy pineapple chipotle martini, please. Cheers to that. Speaking of selection, let's take a look at a new section in GoCCL that's designed to provide resources to you on hosting your very own virtual cruise party. On the homepage of GoCCL, under the Onboard With You tab, click the Virtual Cruise Party. And here you'll find so many different tools for you to host your own virtual cruise party. Different planning resources from themes, virtual cruise party invitations, different insider tips, virtual backgrounds like this one, and of course, recipes like Guy's Burger Joint or the spicy pineapple chipotle martini. Whatever you choose to do, we hope you'll continue to get your clients excited about their next cruise. And of course, to remind them how much travel agents rock. We'll sail you soon.